Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube music in the background. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So we have YouTube music right here. And when you go ahead and play some music, all right, it will play. But the moment you exit out of YouTube music, it's not playing anymore. Well, to fix that, there are two ways. Okay. One is the paid way, and the second one is the free way. All right. So most of you would like to have the free way. All right. So first up, for the paid way, open up the YouTube music. Now go ahead and go to upgrade right here and just pay for the monthly subscription. Okay. And once that's done, you'll be able to play YouTube music even if you close your phone. All right. So for free, listen closely, go ahead and download the Brave browser. Okay. You can find it on Play Store and App Store. Just look for it, basically. Search it out. Brave. Hit on enter and just download the Brave browser. Okay, I'm going to hit on open right here. Now, once done, go ahead and go to YouTube Music. Hit on enter. Tap on it. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and sign in. If not, just play some music. All right, I'm just going to mute it. And I'm going to show you that it's playing. Now, I'm going to close the browser. As you can see here at the top, it's currently playing. All right. Now, when I turn it off or shut my screen, you should be able to see it as well. There you go. It's currently playing. I'm going to pause it. Play it. All right, that is it. That is how you play YouTube music in the background. Well, for free. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.